Okay, so our little balance around acceptance and empathy and openness and being able to move forward, as we've been talking about, with peace and love. Peace and love. So I just muscle tested what flower essence I needed to go along with that little chat, and the flower essence was Philotheca. Now, Philotheca is an Australian bush flower essence, and my little, I've got like a little phrase for each one, and this one's let your star shine. Let your star shine. So I thought, well, that's weird, because I was sort of, that's not quite where I was going with what I was thinking before. But nonetheless, I grabbed the book about Philotheca, and a couple of things stood out to me. It's for inability to accept acknowledgement and praise, excessive generosity. Now, then when I was reading about that, one thing struck me, which was that many people, when they cannot accept praise, it puts them in a position of being a victim, because if they can't accept praise, then they can't believe in themselves. And if they can't believe in themselves, then they have to get their good feelings from other people. So therefore, they put themselves in situations where other people give them compliments and praise. So it says, after this process, many people ask for a dose of Philotheca. It becomes evident how well or badly you are able to acknowledge yourself and accept the acknowledgement of others. Even advertising exploits the ideas that it's not better to boast, as can be seen by the quiet achiever commercials. So it is easy to see how these stereotypes become enshrined in our psyches. And then, people who are unable to accept praise and acknowledgement or help from others will often become dependent, relying on the help of others, perhaps because they become physically incapacitated to some degree. It is so much easier just to let in acknowledgement along the way. Others who feel better when they acknowledge a person who appreciates what they are saying. Others also feel better when they acknowledge a person who appreciates what they are saying. So isn't that interesting? If we don't feel strong within ourselves, then we need other people to make us feel better and to make us feel whole and to make us feel okay and loved and worthy to be here on the planet. That's what you are worthy to be here on the planet. Don't apologize for everything. You are a human being. You are entitled to human being rights and emotions and your place on the planet. So anyway, that's Philotheca, and the affirmations that I'm going to work with are, I now acknowledge myself for who I am. I am deserving of the love and support offered to me, and am now gratefully accepting encouragement and praise. But I think I now acknowledge myself for who I am. I am perfect. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am love. I am loved. I am lovable. Okay, let's do it. Part 3 coming up.